Hey Mekorma users, my name's Sam, and today we're going to introduce you to the latest Mekorma Multi-Batch Management, or MEM, service functionality, integration with Binary Streams Multi-Entity Management, or MEM. With the introduction of Mekorma Build 70, Binary Streams MEM payment batch building capabilities have been integrated into MEM. This means MEM users can now take advantage of MEM to define payment automation rules that will allow them to build, process, and post payment batches, while maintaining the entity-based procedures established by MEM. This video assumes that Mekorma Payment Hub, Multi-Batch Management, and Binary Streams Multi-Entity Management products are all functional and configured for your use. MEM must be activated for all entities you want to process with MEM, and all users must have a default entity assigned before processing can begin. That entity ID will be pulled by default from the Payables Batch Entry window when MEM goes through the automated build process. If you do not have an entity ID set up for a company that is going to be included in your MEM processes, you will be notified through a message on the MEM action board. Please consult your Binary Stream MEM manual for further instructions. Let's look at how to configure your system so that you can use the functions established by MEM in your multi-batch management process. If you are using MEM without MEM, then it is in the Select Checks or Build Payment Batch window that you will be able to select to centralize or decentralize your process. When using multi-batch management, you will make the selection when you are adding build IDs to your MEM process IDs. To do this, first head to the Process ID Maintenance window, which can be opened through the Process ID link in the MEM action board. For this example, we'll choose to create a new process ID. From here, type in the name of your new process ID. Then, select a combination of company, checkbook, build ID, and payment types to add to the process ID. Now, click Insert. For this example, we'll be inserting two separate combinations. Now, with the first line of build parameters selected, click on the MEM button at the top of the window. This will automatically display if MEM is activated. From within this window, you can select a centralized or decentralized processing type. For our first line, we'll select a centralized process, and for our second set of parameters, we'll select a decentralized process. Once this configuration is selected, save and close this window. You'll now be back on the MEM action board. From here, select the process ID that you've just created. You'll see displayed in the action board each of the building parameters that you've established in your process ID by combining build IDs with a company, a checkbook, and payment types. You can select to run both sets of build criteria at once or one at a time. For this example, we'll choose to only run our centralized process. The system will now build one batch from all the invoices that meet the selected build criteria from each of the child entities within the designated parent entity, as you can see in the build results report. If we were running a decentralized process, one batch would be built for each entity, resulting in multiple total batches. From here, you can close the report and move on to the next steps in the action board, continuing to process and post your batches as is standard with the multi-batch management service. We are very excited to be making available the full force of multi-batch management's capabilities for multi-entity management users. If you need further instruction on any of the setup processes referenced in this video, please see the videos page on our website for further instruction. That page is linked in the description of this video. And if you have any questions or concerns about optimizing your payment processing, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.